Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders, and you are giving your fabulous support, and day by day the subscribers are increasing, and thank you for new subscribers and those who are already subscribed my channel. I was thankful to you all. So anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to analyze the Nifty option trading strategies, so that I'm going to find out what are the best trading strategy using the option chain. So when you see the option chain, what are the trade possibilities where we can take a gain from that option chain. So we normally do the trading plan with a strategical basis. So using the option chain, if you are finding out any other better trading opportunities there, so using our strategies builders, so we can find out in this video. So using Nifty or Bank Nifty, even stocks, you can go through that kind of option trading strategies that will give you the profitable, so even more compared to your normal trading style. But here we are going to do our edging kind of trade. So anyone who ready to join my paid classes, so we are teaching about advanced option trading strategies. So then in this particular advanced option trading strategies, you are going to learn some 5 trading strategies. So there you can get more detail and depth about the option trading strategies. In this videos I'm going to tell you how to do, but where what is the criteria and everything I'm not disclose is here, and I'm telling you that in my paid classes. So anyone who interested to join with me, so you can also join and learn my paid strategies. And again we are doing some broking also. Who want to open a trading account with me, you can open my trading account. So each and every video of mine, so you will find out there will be a link where the account opening link. So using this particular account opening link, so you can open a trading account with me, and you can also join with my trading group, and you will be getting lot of benefit from doing the trading with me. We are providing some intraday calls, and you will be getting some trade ideas on live market. Okay, so these are the trade ideas which we are giving you on end of the day session, right? So but there we will be getting a live market. So now let's come to the point. So we are taking a Nifty for our trading strategy. So one day it's moving down, and one day it's moving up, and some days very flat. The last week Nifty is keeps quite high, and again it's gaps down and it is lower right now. From this week alone, it moves from 800 to 9100, so almost somewhere around 700 points Nifty. Okay, so there will be a big move on a weekly basis. So now what I'm going to plan here, the trade, how we can do the trade with a less risky, or even the what is that, so less risky kind of trades, how we can find. So in this particular transaction, or in this particular trade strategies, what we are going to do now. So now the Nifty is current market is 29249. So let's open current market about Nifty. It's about 9249. So this part, from this particular price, my expectation is about bullish. Let's do both the cases. Now my view for the Nifty is bullish. I'm expecting there will be a 200 to 300 or even 400 500 points, which it can move from this particular point. So this is my view on Nifty is bullish. Okay, so now what are the strategies which I can go for, do my best, or what are the strategies which I can apply? So now I'm going to check. This is the one of the third-party software which you can purchase, or some other companies are providing some best deals about this particular. This is what Sensible. So a lot of benefit once you know, understand what are the uh, uses of this software, so it will give you. And again we are using option Upstart to build a strategy also. This is a free version where I'm going to see to find out the option prices. Okay, so the option chain, it's a different kind of option chain. Even you can see this option chain chart on a live market, so it is working perfect and well. Now you see that let's open Nifty. Yeah, Nifty the chart. Now this yellow color mentioning you the ATM options, because Nifty is closing around 9249, right? So 9249 is the closing price about Nifty. So my view is bullish, so I'm expecting there will be a upside movement in the market. So here we'll see the call options, because we are whenever you are a bullish, we are planning to trade on call options. In this particular call options, what are the premium, and I'm going to check the weekly options. The 14th May is the contract where the current week expiry now the 9, so we have another 4 days for the expiry for this particular options. You see that each and every options having their value, and you can see there will be a Greeks also. You can easily see what are the Greeks and everything. You can see if in depth, if you know that Greeks and everything, so you can make a delta neutral and some other trading strategies which will give you benefit. Okay, but now what I'm going to do, based on this particular option chain, how I am going to see, you see that IV also on Nifty IV is 33. It's a current IV now. Okay, so 9250 is the ATM options. So as per our thing, the ATM option is 9250 is the ATM options. So here you see that 9300 and 350, 400 and 450. So we are checking about upside. So when I am upside in the market, 9300 call, 146, 120, 98 and 80. Let's show you 146, 120, 98 and 80. Let's do here. Wait, 9300. Let's do that. 146, 120, 98 and 80. So these are the premium for the options of 935, 93, 9350, 94, 945, sorry, 9250, 93, 9350, 94. So from 9250 we are checking the call option, 9250 call and 93 call option and 9350 call option and 94 call option. So these all call options are call options. So now what are the best strategy which I'm, so now my view is bullish. I'm going to get some profit when the market moves upside. When the market moves upside, I'm going to make some profit from this kind of strategies, which will give you some good return when you are expected thing option. And also you have to plan, there will be a less riskier trade, and less riskier it indicates there will be a what is that, if market is not happening or not against, if market trend is against you, so you are going to lose smaller amount, not much bigger amount, right? So that is the thing. If market goes down, you are going to get a, so this kind of trade strategy, you get some good idea about the trend. If you know the trend very clear, so you can apply this strategy. So now what I am going to do, so let's see any matches between these premiums, any matches. So what I'm thinking, 140, 120, 98 and 80. You see that these two premiums, let's do see here, you can check 120.65 and 80. So it's around, I will take a round number, 98 and 146. Here you see that 120 and here 80. If I multiply it by 2, if I multiply it by 2, I'll be getting the value of 240, right? If I multiply it by 3, I'll be getting the value of 240, right? Understood what I'm telling you here? 120 and 80 both are the premium, so I am taking the 100 rupees gap. I am taking 100 rupees gap. So here what I am going to get, that maximum profit or maximum losses, here 240 and 240. All right, 240 and 240. If I do with the 1 and 2, it is not matching. So for example, if I take, why I am not doing with the 1 lot, so 1 lot is 120 and 2 lot is 160. So this one, 2 lot is 160, so it is not matching. Okay, so that is why 2 lots with the 3 lots, it's matching the equal premium. So understood, it matching the equal premium. So this particular transaction, what is my trade strategies when the Nifty I'm talking about very much bullish, it keep on going up. So that is my view. So where Nifty is goes upside, I'm going to make a profit. When if the Nifty it's not moving, I'm going to lose money. Or if the three ways we can use this strategy, the three types of way we can we can get the payoff. Okay, so what I am going to do in this particular thing, so I now match the premium. So now my view on the index or stock is bullish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell 2 lot of 9300 call, and I'm going to buy 3 lot of 9400 call. Understood? So I am shorting 2 lots and long this much. So when what is the gap between this trade? There will be a gap between the trade is 100 point. I am shorted that option multiplied by 2. This is my maximum risk for this particular trade. 200 point is my overall risk if market closes around 900 and 9400 and level. Exactly, if market closes 9400, I'm going to lose that much of 15,000 rupees as my loss, because 200 point is my maximum loss. Okay, so there will be two types of scenario is there, which I tell you. When the market closes 9400 is my maximum loss point. This is my maximum loss point where I am going to lose money around 15k is my maximum loss. Even market goes above this level, I started making money. Okay, and market if it is coming down, so I am not going to lose my money. If market is closes below 9300, I am not losing any money because all the options went to zero. My cost price is zero. Now build this strategy here. What should be the real payoff and payout about this strategy? So here we will go for option strategy builder. So this is also be one of the good website if you are using, so it's perfect and good. So now we are going to take the 14th May contract. My strike price, my initial strike price is 9300, where I was bullish about the stock and I was selling the call option with the 2 lots. Okay, so where I added the position, now I'm going to add another option, but there I'm going to buy this option to, it's a kind of hedging trade. When the market is goes down, I'm not going to lose big amount. Market is goes up, I'm going to make unlimited profit in this transaction. So how it would be an unlimited profit. So this is the payoff chart about my strategy. You see that there will be a profitability chances around 74.96% if Nifty goes up. So I'm going to get there will be a big benefit, and you see that the maximum loss for the trade is around 14,821. So we calculate manually. I told you around 100 point is the risk. So 2 lot shorted, so 15,000 risk, but the exact risk for the trade is 14,800, and this is my break even points where I'm going to started making money from this particular option strategy. So when market closes below 9,300, when market closes below 9,300, so I'm not going to lose any money. So this is my lower level where market closes below, my loss is zero. My loss is zero. When this is my highest strike price 9600, if market moves above, I'm going to make profit. So this is what make profit, where you can understand this is the theoretical value. When the market close in between the range of 9400, I'm going to lose around 14k. So this is my maximum loss. So when the market closes below here, I'm going to not losing money. When market goes up on 9600, I'm not losing money. So when market closes in between the level, so I'll lose my amount. The maximum loss for the trade is up to 15,000 rupees. Understand? That is the maximum risk for the trade. And now, and what is the profitability? Is around probability of the profit of about the strategy is around 74.96 percentage. It's a quite, and investment required is around 1.26 lakhs. So return on your investment is unlimited. Here as per the strategy, you are going to get an unlimited profit if market started moving up, and if market is less than that, your premium, you are not losing money, and in between the range if Nifty closes, so you are going to lose money. So here this is the payoff chart. You see that when the market closes below 9300, your profit is 101 rupee. This strategy which gives you 101 rupee credit. Okay, it is a credit based credit strategy. You see that when the market is goes beyond any level, so from 9300 you are ending with the 100 rupees profit. You are ending with 100 rupees profit. If a market going and settled below 9300, you are ending with the 100 rupees profit. When market settled in between exactly 9400, you are going to lose. Even if it is goes above 9000, and you are going to make money if you are taking the position with the time value. If you are taking the position by uh, tomorrow at 9250 same level, if market little bit moves 9348, this loss where you seen 7900, that is an orange color box, that is what theoretical loss, but in this position will make you the profit of 1290 rupees as per 9348. But what we are seeing is telling you, when the market comes to 9400 level, your maximum loss is around 14800. But this is what on this settlement basis. But the trading basis, even if after doing the trade, if market started moving up, so you are this position were making you 2000 rupees more profit. When your theoretical basis, when the market reaches 9700, sorry 9600, your position is 476 rupees profit based on your um, theoretical value. So here you got a theoretical value profit, sorry, you got a theoretical value profit is 1000, but the real value profit based on the time value as well as the trading movement of the market, so you will be getting 9300. So this blue color line is after taking your position, if the movement from the nifty, you are going to start making profit. And whenever if nifty crosses over 10000, you are going to get a 59000. So there will be chances for the trade too. You can get more profit about this trading strategy that will give you. And this is the one of the strategy where I'm bullish. So in this the strategy which gives you only if market settled below 9400, this level the maximum loss, and 9400 plus the limited loss up to this 14000 only. Okay, and when the market crosses about 9600, profit. This is based on settlement. And if market crosses below 9300, there will be a sure profit of 100 rupees. Okay, this is the profit where you are getting credit. So when you see the option chain, there will be a chances you can easily find out where there will be an opportunity. So that is what meaning which I'm telling you. If I see in that option chain, I'll find out there will be an opportunity in the market. So even if you see that put side, if you see the put side, if you find out any trade opportunities, there will be thing is there. So let make you a new video based on the put option strategies too on my next video. So I'll take a lot of time about you. And this is what the strategy where you can do. We normally call it as the strategy spread strategy, which will give you, and the loss where you are arising from if market settled at the exact level. But even after taking your position, if market slightly moving up also, your position is going to make money. If market moves after your entry 100 points, you are going to get somewhere around 2000 3000 rupees profit. So it is a profit started immediately when the market started moving on your direction. They based on this strategy. So what we are seeing on the detail, this maximum profit and maximum loss, break even, total P&L, net credit, everything we are going to check based on the level of based on the expiry levels or expiry values, the settlement values. But before that market moves along with your direction, you are going to start making profit on the strategies. So that's about my trade view on this nifty if you are bullish. And you can also do another strategies, again you can do with the opposite options also. So let's tell you simply what are the strategies which you can do with the nifty. Now we are doing with the 9000 to 300 and 9400. Is there any other opportunity which we can go for a 9350 and 9450? You see that you see the 9350 98 rupees, right? 9350 is around 450 is around 64, 98 and 64. If you are checking that, So you are going to get again the same risk, but here the the range of the Nifty is started moving up. Okay, so here you see that 9350, and I'll tell you. So here you see that 9350. Last thing we are doing with the 9300 and 9400. So here we will do the strategy. So 98 is the premium multiplied by 2, almost 200, 196 is the total premium, right? So here 9450, 64 multiplied by 3. So this is my short position where I am taking long positions here. So 64 by 3, what should be my premium? How much? 180, 180 plus 12, 192. Right. So you see that there will be a match in the premium, but what happened here, we are going to even. So this is what ATM, so we are going to 2 strikes over and above. So here you have to understand what is the your strike price and your thing, what we meant. Let tell you the simple thing. So your cost price may increase. So let's do here, and I will do that here. 2 lot of 9350, 2 lot of 9350. Okay, modify. This one 9400, sorry, 9450. I modified here. So now you see that here also there will be a credit about 311 rupees, and the maximum loss is 14,600. Your maximum loss entry when the market settled around 9,450 level. So above 9,650 is your profitability, and below that 9,353. You see that there will be a changes between the your entry point. That is what break even point. And the strategy which we are seeing 9,300 to 9,600. Here 9,350 below your started profit, and 300 rupees is your maximum profit. If market closes around 9,450, that is what maximum loss around 14,600. That is what maximum loss. When the market closes 9,650, it started making profit. But even the trade is started, this is what a profit zone. Okay, when the market started trading, so you will be getting your maximum profit. When the even market started on your direction, you will see on the blue color line. So that was our 2000, 3000 when the market started moving upside. So even maximum profit at the particular time when the market moves on your direction. So this is what the strategy which we can use on live market also. When you find out any trade signals or any ideas about the market, so you can directly use these signals. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. And if you like this video, subscribe and share to your friends, and comment on this video if you have any other questions and doubt. Thank you for being with me, and kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.